Welcome everybody. This is our income statement segment. Now, as we have done all our workings, I will put into the income statement of lens. We'll start with sales. Remember, our sales working number one was 63680 less cost of sales. Start with op inventory. We've done this a bit working, but you can copy it here, doesn't matter at all. It's 4740 plus purchases is 41085 less, I'll do goods drawings. Okay, goods drawings is 755 less clo inventory is a kind of doing again. It's 5270. Remember, I did a mistake and was trying to check where did I go wrong. I took a wrong figure last video. Okay, so add up all of it. Is your cost of sales is 39800. Take away from the sales, cost of sales, take away from the sales, you get 23880. That's your gross profit. Okay, there is no income, so we'll start with less expenses. Okay, in our less expenses figure, we can start with rent and rates. That's our working number 3. For our Papa Ala, we found 6295 in the first column. Then we have some more expenses like wages and general expenses. We'll copy paste these items. Yep. Okay, your wages is 6250, straightforward, and general expenses also very straightforward. 520, you still keep getting marks for this. Okay, now we have a loss on disposal. Loss on disposal. I think I put this as working number 8 on, yeah. Okay, it was 620. And we have cash stolen, and that's working number 7, I believe. 6. Cash stolen figure is 2190. Then we have loss on vehicle. I have taken a couple of depreciation, I believe. Yep. Depreciation of equipment. That's working fine, I think, yeah. And that's 745. And vehicle debris working, I think that's 4. Yeah, that's 4. This is 5. It's 3600. Anything else? No, we have taken rent. We have taken debris, taken loss on vehicle, yeah, and cash stolen, yeah, wages and rent and rates. All our items being taken. If we add up these figures, 6295 plus 6250 plus 520 plus 620 plus 2190 plus 745 plus 3600, I get total expenses is 20220. You take away from your gross profit, and 3660 is your profit for the year. And that's it. See, this is a 26 marks worth of question, and you get we'll get approximately 34 minutes to do this, and overall we have managed our time. And that's how you do your big questions. Yeah, you do the workings at the top. I removed those workings. Yeah, you always start with workings. All the workings you do, you get marks for those workings, and then you put into the answer. Thank you very much. Hope you join our next videos.